Hey guys, it's Miss Arden here again. Day 12, happy Tuesday. Once again, this week's assignments all go off of the one article, okay? So every assignment this week will go off of that article that I have in Google Classroom for you, or you can get it at the end of the packet, but I've added a couple of images and stuff if you guys want to be able to see that. So hopefully you've already read the article to have been able to have done day 11's assignment. But even if you have read it, I'm going to suggest go ahead and go back and reread it. Look back over it. It's only 2 pages long. It's not that bad. You're definitely going to need to pull some evidence from this article for the questions that you're going to answer. So please go back and look over it. Okay. So this question for today, for day 12, is pretty lengthy. I don't mean lengthy as in hard. I just mean it's got multiple parts to it. So on my Google form, I broke it down for you guys. So it says, carefully read the attached article, no checkout needed, that's posted on Google Classroom. Answer the following questions, and here's an important part that I want you guys to pay attention to. Making sure to explain your reasoning using specific details from the text. That means that you have to cite evidence. You have to pull quotes or sections of the article, paraphrase parts of the article in order to get it correct. Okay, so make sure that's why you need to go back and look over the article to make sure that you're getting exact details. Okay, so our first step says write a cost-benefit analysis of Amazon Go grocery from a producer or business perspective. Now, this is the next part I want to point out: producer or business perspective. We are used to looking at things from the consumer or customer perspective. But in this instance, we are not the consumer. We are not the customer. We are looking at this from Amazon's point of view, from the producer, the business side. So in this instance, for today's assignment, you are Amazon looking at this. Okay? So, and then let's look back at cost-benefit analysis. It's been a while since we did that, but cost-benefit analysis is weighing the pros and the cons, the good things and the bad things of a decision. Okay? So remember, our costs are our negative things that are not a good thing for our business. Benefit are the positives, things that we like. In a good cost-benefit analysis, in order to make that decision, the benefits should outweigh the costs. Remember, that's a good economic decision. Okay, so our first step is to list some costs and list some benefits of Amazon Go groceries, okay? So I know usually we do maybe like a T-chart or something with costs on one side and benefits on the other, but that's not really doable in a Google form. So how I suggest you do it is start off with maybe cost or benefits, whichever one, and then just list a couple. Remember, use the text to get your evidence, and then you can go to benefits and do the exact same thing, list a couple, okay? So then that's what you've got, okay? But remember, make sure to explain your reasoning using specific details. So when you list a cost or you list a benefit, give me the evidence that supports that you know that's a cost because, you know that's a benefit because, okay? The second thing that today's assignment is asking you to do is give me an opportunity cost, okay? One of Amazon's main opportunity costs. If you remember, an opportunity cost is something that you missed out on, an opportunity that you didn't get to do. So if I've got two choices, if I am trying to choose between going to bed early and getting a good night's sleep for work the next day, or staying up until 2 a.m. rewatching Tiger King, whichever option I don't choose is my opportunity cost. So if I do go to bed early and get a good night's sleep, it's probably a better decision, but I missed out on watching Tiger King for the second time or third time or fourth time, okay? Whatever decision you don't choose is your opportunity cost, whatever you missed out on. So for this, you're going to tell me, what do you think one of Amazon's main opportunity costs is? What is one thing that they're missing out on from this new Amazon Go grocery? Okay. And then the final question goes along with what you did up here. What is one of the benefits that Amazon hopes to gain? What is something, like you just listed some benefits, but I want you to describe it in detail here. What do you think is the most important benefit that Amazon is wanting to get out of this whole big, huge project that they've started with a lot of work and a lot of technology involved? what do you think is the one that they're hoping to gain the most? Okay, so please read the article. Again, you'll need to. It's got a lot of details in there. If you've got any questions or you're stuck on anything or you don't remember some of these vocab words that we haven't covered since the beginning of the semester, please shoot your teacher an email, shoot me an email. Okay, I'm here for you guys. Hope you're doing well. Happy Tuesday.